Today, we will be learning about dyslexia. Dyslexia is a disorder that provokes individuals to experience difficulty reading, identifying speech sounds, and learning how they relate to letters and words, but does not affect general intelligence. The characteristics include difficulty reading, learning the connection between letters and sounds, recognizing and producing rhymes, memorizing, keeping place when reading. It also affects reading comprehension and causes frequent mispronunciation and spelling errors. Causes. According to the Mayo Clinic, dyslexia has been linked to certain genes that control how the brain develops. It appears to be an inherited condition since it tends to run in families. These inherited traits appear to affect parts of the brain concerned with language, interfering with the ability to convert written letters and words into speech. Diagnosis. While there's no one specific test to diagnose dyslexia, there are a number of factors to be considered, including development, educational issues and medical history, home life, questionnaires, vision, hearing, and brain tests, psychological testing, and testing reading and other academic skills. Treatment. Dyslexia is a lifelong problem. However, early detection, accompanied by appropriate treatment, can increase long-term improvements. Recommended treatments include tutoring sessions with a reading specialist, as well as an individualized education plan. Parents are encouraged to read out loud to their child, encourage reading time, and be involved in their child's education. Children with dyslexia who get extra help in kindergarten or first grade often improve their reading skills enough to succeed in elementary school and high school. Classroom challenges. Students with dyslexia have a poor auditory short-term memory, which causes problems remembering the sounds in spoken words, also when remembering even a short list of instructions. Students are likely to have poor spelling, pronunciation, and handwriting, and they will need extra time for reading, planning, rewriting, and proofreading. Accommodations. In order to best help students, teachers should break down tasks into small, easily remembered pieces of information. Sit the child fairly near the class teacher so that the teacher is available to help if necessary. Use a different color marker for each line if there is a lot of written information on the board. It is extremely important to use a structured reading scheme that involves repetition and introduces new words slowly. Save the dyslexic child the ordeal of having to read out loud in class. Instead, reserve this for a quiet time with the class teacher. Give the child advanced time to read pre-selected reading material. Be prepared to accept verbal descriptions as an alternative to written descriptions if appropriate. Use audio tapes for recording lessons and give the child more time for completion of work. Assistive technology. Text-to-speech is technology that reads out loud digital text. Audiobook. An audio recording of a book being read out loud. Optical character recognition transforms printed material into digital text files.